What if you can copy and paste free videos and in less than 2 hours make $3,000, for 8 hours $8,000, and so on? There are loads of people that started recently and are already doing it. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to film anything, and you don't need a camera. And since this works worldwide, you can be anywhere you like and still keep making money. You can travel to whatever destination you like, bring your laptop, and make money while you're there. This is one of the most simple ways you can make thousands of dollars online. Before we go into the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video or new methods to make money online, you will be the first to know about the strategy, tips, and tricks so that you will be ahead of your competitors and start making real money. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, please do feel free to leave a comment down below so that whenever I see them, I can immediately answer and accommodate you guys and give you all the information that you need. Now let's dive in straight into the video. You can see this single person is making anywhere from $6,000 up to $8,000 a month by copy pasting videos, and there are a lot of people that are starting to do this because it works really well. I'm going to explain exactly how you can do this as well. Now here's just one channel that's doing this successfully. If you stay until the end of this video, I will show you how you can get this done in less than 2 hours, and I will also explain how you can maximize your results and earn a lot more money. Now, as you can see, this channel owner is posting only once per week, which is 4 videos a month. According to Social Blade, they are getting around 23,000 views every single day on average. I know for a fact that business and luxury related videos have a really high CPM that can go way more than $10 per 1,000 views. So if you do the math and we open up this calculator, that's going to show us that at 23,000 views on a regular daily basis with the CPM of $8 to $10 is making them over $8,000 every single month without selling anything, without promoting anything, just by copy pasting videos and getting views on them. They're making over $8,000 every single month. These videos are just 5-minute compilations of other people's videos. So you just copy paste videos into 15-minute long videos. It takes away less than 2 hours and upload 4 videos a month, and that's 8 hours of work for $8,000 for one single month. So that's $1,000 per hour of copy pasting of videos. Now, if you stay tuned until the end of the video, I will show you how you can maximize your results and earn more money by relying on other monetization options, not just in ad revenue. But first of all, let's see how these guys are actually getting these videos done so they can make $1,000 in less than an hour of copy pasting. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up, and let me know which country you're coming from so that I can make more videos in your country. So if I open up one of these videos and if we go over to their description, you will be able to see that they credit owners of those videos. So they are just taking videos from other YouTube channels and they will credit them in the description, and they're not even asking those video owners because they put in something like this: we do not own the videos and music used in our videos. If any owner of the content clips would like us to remove their video, we will do that as soon as possible. Just contact us through our email address. So they're not even asking them, they're just taking those videos and they're leaving video credits in the description, and these channel owners are okay with that because they're getting free exposure. They're getting free promotion for their yachts, for their cars, and other luxury stuff. So they're literally just making a compilation of promo videos, luxury lifestyle, and a lot of people watch those for motivation. That's why they are being able to make so much money. So let's see how you can do this as well. Let's see how you can start copy pasting videos, make this type of compilations, and monetize this type of channel and make money online. So first step is to find content creators that are posting original content of their luxury houses. Maybe this is a real estate agent that is just promoting different luxury houses, different luxury real estates. Find those types of creators and you can use their videos, or maybe someone is promoting their cars, somebody's promoting their yachts, everything that's related to a luxury lifestyle. Just find those types of small creators with original content and start downloading their videos. So find something interesting and download it. For example, if you want this video, this is a luxury yacht, and what I need to do is I just right click on the video, click copy link address, go to Google, search for YouTube to MP4 converter so we can download those videos. You will need to download at least 15 to 20 different short videos so you can afterwards compile them into one 5-minute video which you will upload to your YouTube channel. This is my first video. I'm going to open up this software because it's absolutely free. You just paste your YouTube link here, click convert, wait until that loads, and click the download button. That will download the video to your computer and you will be ready to use it in your own compilation. Now, the next thing you will need is audio for your videos. So you already have some motivational videos, but you need some music in the background to make the video a lot better. And you can use YouTube's audio library. So you can go over to Google, search for YouTube audio library, open on this platform that's going to give you all these different copyright-free songs which you can use in your videos. So all of these songs are absolutely free and you have full license to use in your videos. You have permission made by YouTube themselves. So you just need to go to free music and filter search by mood and select inspirational. Click apply and that's going to give you all of these different inspirational songs which you can use. If you find something that you like, all you need to do is click on the download button right over here. Now that you have an audio for your video, you just need to combine those two into a 5-minute or 6-minute video which you can publish on your channel. You can download a free software called openshot.org. It's simple and easy to use. You don't need any professional skills or previous experience to do this because you just need to throw those videos, throw in 15 or 20 different short clips, leave different motivational songs in the background, and that's it. Just save it to your computer and you're ready to upload it to YouTube. It will take you less than 2 hours, and you saw that in one of those videos, people are getting paid over $3,000, and it takes you less than an hour to create it, which is a no-brainer. That means you're making more than just $1,000 per hour of work. Now, the final step is to get those thumbnails done. So you uploaded the video to your YouTube channel. Now you just need a thumbnail and you're ready to go. Now let me first show you how these guys are getting their thumbnails done, and then I'm going to show you how you can do this as well for free. And you can see their thumbnails are really simple and easy. It always say Billionaire 2021 motivation and a nice picture in the background. And if I open up one of their videos, in the description you will also see that they took those photos from someone else. So you can see that the thumbnail is coming from this person on Instagram. So they're taking pictures from Instagram and they're just adding texts above the picture. If we open on this Instagram account, you will be able to see that here is the picture from the thumbnail. So they probably searched for hashtag entrepreneur, hashtag business, hashtag luxury, and they found those guys are posting those types of photos. They just download those photos, they add their text, and that's the thumbnail. And that can take less than 2 minutes. You can do the same thing, or you can use pexels.com. This is a platform where you can find loads of royalty-free stock footage and stock photos to use. So you can go to the search bar, search for luxury, and that's going to give us all these different photos which we can use in our thumbnails. So let's say, for example, I want to use this one. All I have to do is click on the download button right here and it's immediately gonna be downloaded to my computer. Next thing, I need to add a text above it, and you can simply use canva.com. Search for YouTube thumbnail in the search bar and that's going to give you loads of templates which you can use. I will start from blank because I already have the background image. I just need to add the text above it. So I will go through the upload section right here and I will upload that photo from Pexels or Instagram. Now just make sure it actually fits, and above that I will also put a black background, and I will show you why we are doing this. So select the black background, click on the image, change that transparency to 50, and now I just need some text above it, a white colored text for clarity. I would just type in, for example, billionaire top wealth secrets. So this already looks nice. If you're already satisfied with the thumbnail, just download it to your computer by clicking this button right here. You can of course play around with different colors, sizes, fonts, different backgrounds. It's really simple and easy, and canva.com is free and it will definitely allow you to create some professional looking thumbnails. That's exactly how these guys are able to make over $8,000 a month by uploading only 4 videos which only take 8 hours of work for $8,000 every single month. Before we end the video, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you will be the first to know about the strategy, tips, and tricks to make more money online. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Peace!